The ancient city of Kashgar, which has a permanent resident population of around 200,000 and is located in northwest China's Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region, has greeted over 7 million tourists so far this year. Apart from domestic tourists, Kashgar is also becoming increasingly popular among foreigners. Since the Belt and Road Initiative was proposed, the ancient city has once again been propelled into the limelight as a gateway for opening up. Neil Monroe, a motorcycle traveler from Britain, walked into a restaurant with friends to savor the famous local barbecue and beer. This is Monroe's third visit to Kashgar. When he first traveled there, he was wowed by the unique culture and he soon began learning Chinese.
17 years ago, I think, the first time I came here. I remember being much smaller, for one thing, yeah. And the old city was like really old. It's like, you know, you walk down the street, there's no shops. It's just like old buildings, old people's houses, but no sort of like tourist sort of thing, or less than now, certainly. And now, this time, it seems to be huge, a really big city. Now it's a nice place. It's much more comfortable place now, much more sort of easy place than it was back when I first came here.
The ancient city of Kashgar is one of the largest surviving earthen buildings in the world. In 2010, a renovation project with an investment value exceeding 7 billion yuan was launched. Within 7 years, the dilapidated houses were rebuilt, but without changing their architectural characteristics and their traditional Uyghur lifestyles.
It was beautiful, interesting to see local culture, the ancient city. It was very nicely renewed at night with a very nice light. It was creating very interesting, romantic climate. We could feel very cozy.
Hadiya Musham Abla from Tanzania runs a cafe in the ancient city of Kashgar with her husband Dilshad Tursun. The two met while studying at a university in East China's Fujian province 7 years ago. Bullish on China's soaring coffee consumption potential and economic prospects in Kashgar, where Dilshad Tursun was born, the couple decided to settle and start their own business in Kashgar.
So for the next year, and probably the end of this year, we will still have Tanzanian coffee beans coming in big amounts. Yeah, because we are arranging for that right now. Yeah, to transport a big amount of coffee beans in our coffee shop from Tanzania.